Om de säger. Sen åkte vi vidare.
Yo, I'm in school right now. What's good, all my friends? Help! Help me!
Did someone say bingo?
Ba-ba-ba bingo!
Bingo! Yeah.
I'd be lying to say this aerodynamics class didn't go over my head.
Bruh.
You need to leave!
Get it? Like an airplane over my head?
Alright.
Did you get the joke or did it go right over your head?
You think this is Stop recording and generating the lecture notes! Turbo AI should get you all expelled! Do you hear me? Do you hear me?